Welcome, welcome, welcome. First things first, allow me to introduce myself. I am Ashika and I'm the owner and CEO, the boss of 110 Creations, and I'm welcoming you to be a part of the 110 gang. And today I'm going to show you inside of Canva how you could go in and make your own designs without having to go and buy a template or buy a design from someone. I want to show you how to make your own designs. Please bear with me. This is my first time doing this. So, for those of you joining me, I appreciate all your support and all your help. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And let's get started. First thing you're going to need is some designs. So, if you have some designs that you like, you're going to go ahead and you're going to pull them up, pull them into your Canva. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to go and you're going to tap on uploads. And you're going to look in your gallery if there's something there that you already want to use. You can see I have a lot of stuff in here, but I'm going to use one of my four that's across this top here today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go over into elements. You're going to type in whatever grunge. We're going to do grunge backgrounds today. And I'm already have a lime green grunge background that I like. So I'm just showing you this here. You're just going to type in to this box here where it says describe your ideal element. And you're going to pull up what you want. And mine is a lime green. And because I already have one, I'm going to go over. I'm going to pull it up. This is the one that I'm using today to show you how to get your design done. All right, we got that in. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to type in your text. And we're going to add a text box. So you're going to click on the add a text box. I'm going to go in and the font that I'm going to use today is called Fatimi. I'm going to leave the color the way it is because I want to do this black off of this green because it's going to pop. You always want to use something that's going to pop. Don't worry about that line that keeps coming up because we're going to go right here and we're going to type in the word fashion because that's what we're focused on today. All right, now that I have that in there, we're going to make it bigger. Going to slide it up. I'm going to go this way. I just want it to be big, and I actually think I'm going to resize this design. And because I want to resize it, we're going to go over here to the top in this top left hand corner where it says resize, and we're going to resize it and we're going to do a custom size. With that being said, I want to do a let's do an 8.5 by 11 and just click on it where it says resize this design. And now that we have that done, you're just going to go in, you're going to click on those elements and stretch them back out. You're going to go here and I'm going to move, we're going to move up the word fashion. All right. And now that we have those elements in there, let's go over to where I told you that you need your designs. You're going to pull up one of your designs. And we're going to drop it in there. I want her to come forward, so we're going to click on position. Once you click on position, it's going to give you all of these options over here on this left hand side. I want to bring her forward, so I'm going to click on forward, and we're just going to make her big like that. You can X that out once you've gotten what you need. I'm going to make her bigger. I'm going to pull her out this way because I want her to be all the way across. And actually, let's pull her down just a little bit and scoot her up. So these little tabs, these little toggles are going to help you get her on the screen the way you want her. So now that we have her there, we're going to pull her down a bit. We want her to disappear right there. I'm going to go back over into elements. I'm going to pull up. This is where you're going to go in and type back in. What I want right now is a torn piece of paper, so you can put in ripped paper. Right here, you can see I've already done it. So you can pull up ripped paper and just go through it, kind of select whatever one you want. You can click on see all. If there's nothing in there that you want, you can go back. I'm going to click on this one just for purposes of showing you what I want to show you. And then you're going to pull it out, extend it out. You're going to put it down into position and keep pulling it out until you get it sized the way you want it to be sized. And now what I'm going to do is So I'm going to go back over here to my uploads. I'm going to upload this image back in again. I'm going to click on position once again. I'm going to pull her forward once again. We're going to pull her all the way out the way we did the first time. Pull her all the way out. Pull her all the way out. Keep going till you get it positioned the way you want it positioned. Once we do that, we're going to X that out. We're going to remove that background. And by the way, you will need to have Canva Pro. And she's not quite positioned where I want her to be because I want all of her to show. There we go. And there you have it. That is your own design. Alrighty. Thank you for bearing with me. I hope that I taught you a little something today that you did not know before. And again, thank you and come back for more.